Hey, JR's here. I'm over here at Tompkins Square Park, and we were supposed to have a blizzard today, but no blizzard. As you can see, not even 10 inches, almost 10 inches. I was expecting like 2 feet. So I'm kind of disappointed because I was planning on going around, take pictures and videos, but no. Hey, we got a jogger in the park. So I believe the total here in Central Park, well, this is Tompkins Square Park, but in Central Park, they measured 9.8 inches of snow that fell. A view of Tompkins Square Park. So if you wonder why I take a lot of pictures in Tompkins Square Park and videos, it's because I live 2 blocks from here. This is my backyard. So you have kids out here having fun. And that's the famous Tompkins Square Christmas tree. It's still up. It's January 29th, I believe. Hold on. Let me, January 27th, excuse me. January 27th. And they still have the Christmas tree lights on. It looks nice. And it's like around 5:15 now, 5:15 p.m. It's getting dark. And this is the beautiful Tompkins Square Park. Got a nice view of the Empire State Building. And here we have the dog run. My brother from Puerto Rico, Angel Mojica, he loved this. He loved watching the dogs over here. And Nadine, this video is for you. You want to see a video of the snow? So here you are. And here we have 10th Street and Avenue B. And as you can see, it's pretty clear. Got the library over there. Here's the park. And sanitation department did a great job on clearing the roads. So this is Marcy's neighborhood. And the traffic was suspended last night from 11 p.m. on. No traffic on the road. And also transit at 11 p.m. they stopped working. So there was no transit working and no traffic on the road from 11 p.m. on. Last night, Monday. And that's where Marsh live up there. And it's not that bad with snow, see? Pretty clear. Okay. Okay, JR reporting out. Bye.